All right, welcome to SC Custom Designs. So I wanted to share yet another tip. Whoops, don't turn the light out, right? That's not the tip. So there we are, coming along. So I finally got the bottom support frame completed. And I found that when I took it out with just a few pieces of duct tape on it, I keep saying duct tape by habit, painter's tape, that it kind of fell into its own demise. And so what I decided was to put it back again and tape it up, then take it off of there, put it down here, and I wrapped it up like a mummy. So that's what happened here, because he needs to stay in place while I make the panels. The panels are going to go right in through here. So now I have to figure out how to do that, but I didn't need this guy moving on me. Okay, so that's that quick tip. Painter's tape is our friend. Cool. Moving along. Excited.